Ayan, maganda yan.
Oh, you need to wrap.
Wait, cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha.
How are you?
That's chacha.
Good.
Honey. This honey.
What is the number one honey? Oh, yung pala yung nakuha niyo number one eh.
Anong tawag dito? Honey.
Different.
Different honey. That one honey, my love, so sweet. Ah, di ba?
Dear friends, this is Sergo. Sergo is owner of this farm. First, he's gonna show you. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
First, he's gonna show you how to check honey is real.
Doon sa taas, sa taas.
First, he's gonna show you how to check honey is real or fake. And after this, you are gonna taste.
Chacha.
Wait. This is not so much.
This water?
Yes, water with 40% alcohol. I like that.
Wow! Smells good.
I like honey. Put antibiotics.
Chacha. 40% alcohol.
Chacha.
Water plus 40%.
Chacha,
That's honey?
ito yung mga latak ng ubas.
May honey na.
About me.
No, gusto.
Oh, it has honey.
Cheers.
He makes classic cha-cha and throw inside honeycomb. Don't drink slowly. Drink one shot. Tagay and
Tagay! Kampay! Kampay! And cheers!
Champagne!
Cheers!
Cheers! Chacha, honey with 40% alcohol.
Ah! One more!
Repeat. You can repeat.
Ooh!
After drinking, just whistle.
I also have brandy.
Brandy. Brandy, that's brandy. Brandy with honey.
Brandy.
I want honey on that. Brandy.